Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with Lautie Bit04 spinner here with me and I'm gonna check it out. Pretty simple. As usual, you can see that this thing actually just opened apart. You get an extra bearing, you get the key to take it apart, and this is the old school box. By the way, if you buy one from Fablades.com, you're gonna get the new one with the new box. And here you have this Zirc blasted, pretty cool spinner, which is very well made. I love the fact that you can see through. There's only these two parts connecting the outer part. You can open it up like that, disassemble, check out that it's a Lautie product, official Zirc, and number. The number has to match the one on the back of the box. So here you have it, and like that, you just screw that back together. Here you go. You just hold it there and this thing is just gonna spin away. So very cool. Zirc blasted, pretty rare, but still you can find it. It's not a limited edition. You have two nice fake screw holes. You have this protruding part, kind of like eye-shaped, and your button at the center with the central groove, Lautie, and the Bit logo right over there. You can spin it on the table, so it's fine. It's gonna spin for a long time and quietly on the table. On the hand, it's even quieter. So right here you see like spinning slow, but it's just like the frame rate. This thing actually, it's spinning pretty fast and quietly. So very cool. You have these ridges and you can just use it, take advantage to just spin your Bit04 around. Very nice. Look at that effect. And it's not that heavy, actually. So let me see how much is gonna be in your pocket. 45 grams. Yeah, no worries about that whatsoever. You want to know maybe what's the diameter? Let's say like at this point, 32 millimeters, and right over here, 12, let's say 13 millimeters. Not too bad. I mean, yeah. Another Lautie Zirc mini dealer right over there. Lautie and ACEDC SAM haptic coin, just to give you an idea of the size of this fella. Right over here you get the ACDC 3B spinner and haptic, just like a bigger one to get some reference. ACEDC Contra. It's a pretty cool slider, but here we have this spinner from Lautie. It's the Bit04. There's a whole series of Bit from the 1 to the 9, and there's the Zirc version, which is just fantastic. It's my favorite material because it's dark black and blasted. Avoids fingerprints like crazy, and I just love it. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and as usual, stay tuned.